This is Michael. He runs a glass factory. Orders come in from his clients and he has to make sure that the correct crates of packed glass are stored in these shipping containers for transport. Each sheet of glass is stacked into a pile, crated, and then packed into the shipping containers. This all sounds simple, right? Well, no, it's not. There's actually a big problem. Michael's current rule of thumb methods mean that he never packs containers to their maximum weight. Maybe he gets each container to about 18.5 tons, but each container can actually take 23.5 tons. Since the price of the container is the same, whether or not it's full, Michael is wasting money. Isazi Consulting offers an optimization algorithm to solve this problem. The algorithm distributes crates optimally so that each container is fully utilized, a little like an expert Tetris player. The algorithm produces the most efficient arrangement of the crates. Most containers are packed to 99% full. It also takes into account the standards of glass packing and balancing requirements for road, rail, air, and sea. Michael can use fewer containers to fill the same order, not to mention the time he's saved without needing to pack unnecessary containers and without trying to figure out by hand which crate goes where. Michael's just given himself an enormous competitive advantage as he can ship the same amount of glass using fewer containers and he can make his overall quote cheaper. And the best part? He can do all of this by simply sending an email specifying the order and receiving a report detailing which crate goes into which container. And all of this happens in under a minute. In one application, the algorithm saved one container in every 30. In this case, the client exported 300 containers per month, therefore saving him 10 containers per month. With an estimated container cost of 40,000 Rand, this saved our client 400,000 Rand per month. That's a total of 4.8 million Rands per annum. But this doesn't have to stop at glass. The very same optimization algorithm can be used for any industry, any container type, and any product that requires optimal packing. Isazi, Advanced Algorithms and Optimization.